guys, so back from holiday, first day back, and I'm currently hiding in the office because it is chaos out there. Not quite sure what's going on, but yeah, it's mental. So yeah, I've retreated to the office. Not just that, but the weather. My God, we have just had a lovely week in Anglesey, as you all know, and it was beautiful. We really did pick a beautiful week. It was relaxed, it was tranquil, and then we come back and it's the first day back in, and it is hoofing down. This is actually my drowning Fraggle look right now. So it's just crazy. So yeah, it's looking like a few of our customers have had issues while we've been away, and bless them, they haven't bothered us while we've been away. They've waited for us, which is just ace, don't get me wrong. We love our customers, they're very loyal. But that just means that we're already overbooked this week, and we have approximately 4 other cars now being recovered in. Sounds like failed batteries, a couple of tyres, punctures that can't be repaired, stuff like that. So not too bad, and obviously we can't wait to help and get our customers back on the road. So I just thought I'd share my Monday morning. Chaos, hoofing down, and check this out. Speeding fine. It doesn't get much better than that, does it? That's why I'm currently hiding in the office. Yeah, so anyway, some of the jobs that we've got coming in, I have told you that I'm hoping to involve you more. So thanks for your emails, I really appreciate it. People are asking for certain things. When you get this job in, can you demonstrate it? Can you do this? Yes, I'm going to try my damnedest, really, to showcase everything. So not just jobs, but tools. I love my tools. Anyone who's got anything new that's come in, or a tool you've made to do a certain job, then share it with me. I'm always interested, and I'm always eager to know what people are up to. I have a massive interest in all the areas of the trade, so you know, get in touch. And if you've got something you want me to show or want to use, I will be happy to do so. So yeah, some of the jobs we've got coming in today, it is very possible that I'll be able to do a little bit of videoing. Obviously I can't video everything. Customers' permission also is something that I need to just confirm with them before I take any videos. So yeah, please subscribe. This channel is only going to get busier the more I get used to this. This is new to me. So the more jobs I do, the more confidence I get, the more I'm going to be able to show you and share with you, and we'll enjoy the journey together. So tune in, subscribe, spread the word. Thanks guys.